Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to reset your password on Temu. So before we begin, you can click on my link in the description below to get a $100 coupon bundle or use my code to get a 30% discount on Temu. And guys, remember that the $100 coupon code bundle and 30% discount is only for Temu new users. So now with that said, once you are on Temu, guys, first thing that you will do is simply click on sign in / register over here. And guys, from here, just simply click on trouble signing in. And from here, you will have an option reset your password. So just simply click on this. And after that, just simply provide your email address that you have. And from here, once you have provided it, just simply click on submit. And from there, guys, an email will be sent to you. So just simply go to your email. So guys, it will look something like this. So as you can see, I am on my email and the code will be 332266. So we are going to provide the reset code. And after that, as you can see, we will be able to create a new password over here. So just simply provide your new password, guys. And after that, just simply click on submit. And from there, you'll be able to reset your password and you can continue shopping. And as you can see, we will be able to log in into our account. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.